Okay, here we go again. Oh, quickly disable them so we can't select them by accident. Alright, with our... Oh, didn't do a rename. Be creative. Front end. Right, so basically we now just need to put some edge cuts through here. One for this, one for this. I'm not sure if that, the glass over the headlight. Oh, it is, it's slightly lower, isn't it? It looks like it's inset also. That fender also seems to follow into there. We could just make this whole front end one piece. If you're so desperate to have it exact, you can easily cut that into there. In fact, look at that bit there, it looks like there's a cut in that panel. Let's not faff, anyway. So, here we go. Control R. If we line that up with the top of the lights, take them, GG, slide it down a little bit. Come on. Shift, slow it down. There you go, left click drop. And for this one also, do it E, F, not E. Align with the bottom of that headlight. Actually we could maybe just get away with, once we put this one in here, if you watch, put that there for the top of that, slide that GG to give with that one, needs a bit more. That might destroy that. We might get away with that actually. Can we slide that to the side of there? See, that might create some strange artifact. Images. Yeah, looks okay. I do feel this needs to be softened out a little bit. Go back one, and which one is it? Not that one, that one, right. Not Alt X, Alt Z. I keep pressing Alt X by mistake, so I've had to disable hard ops or box cutout, whichever one that uses it. Very annoying. They're good if you just want to cut holes into more boxes or cylinders, but no need for them for what we are doing. Okay, so another one here. There we go. And with these we could just pull them back. And also, to be fair, we could do with maybe a little bit wider so we can inset them, and that would give them an extra edge. So do apologise, GG, move them down a little bit, make it wider than they actually need to be. That one also, GG, slide it out, GG, because then that will give it supporting edges. There we go, GG. GG that one. That's tightening that corner up though, don't really like that. GG. So, see, we selected all of that. Just demonstrate. Select them in there, and then we inset. See, and then that creates a supporting edge on the outside. It'll also be the same for that. We could demonstrate border here if we do an inset, like we did with the back. See how the border's still there, but if you now untick border, see how it's left the outside. Let's just cut that one that's literally on the edge. But anyway, we don't need them just now. We get the other side incorrect. Oh yes, it was this, wasn't it? Oh, feels too... It needs to be softer. Pull out just a little bit. Alt Shift deselect that line or edge. Does that look about right? Alt H to bring everything back in. Hit them again. I get the feeling that should be more straight up and down, because in the images, if we take a quick look here, too far. I mean, it is at an angle, but is that because the rear is raised slightly because of the larger tyres? It is still more of an angle, isn't it? So we'll just leave it like that. And once we get this bumper in here, we'll finish off this front wheel arch here, because it still looks like it's just in the middle of nowhere, isn't it? Just checking these, sorry. I feel they need to be scaled down. Alright, so I have that one there, control that one there, scale Z0. It has gone further, but go back to the front. With that selected, do a rotate on the Y, and then just line it back up again. And hopefully that hasn't destroyed that. And we'll get rid of that rotate. Y also, just a little bit. Cross your fingers, it's okay. Yeah, that looks okay. Should we quickly put these vents in, because they're on 9 minutes-ish there. So let's just redo what we undid. Time travel again. Inset. Just a little bit will do. Boundaries already deselected. So from there, we now extrude Y. Quick look at this image again. That one seems to end there, and I'm guessing also so will the headlight. Could do with some more supporting edges in here to tighten up these curves here though. So Control R in there, E, F. Make them a nice Take a curve. Same with that one. They are quite tight on that one actually. Bottom one could be handy because it would also do this one. Although I don't think that one's actually needs to be tightened, so we'll get away with this. GG, want to put that back into the set of that one there. GG. Oh, you see what I've done here? Didn't add that extra edge in there, did I? That's easy enough. So go to 1. Ah, you see, that's why it's different again on this one. So I have to just guess on this one. We'll do a Control R, put that in there. There's a slight gap in the middle, so drop that there. And selected, full stop on the numpad, and do the same with those ones. X. No, I tell you what. Just them ones. Them ones. Tell me. X1. Then we go that one to there. Extrude, Control, and snap to there. Extrude, snap to there. All merge by distance. And that looks like it's missed. Yes, it has. So just grab it, Control, snap to it, select them all, press A for all, merge by distance. There we go, it's corrected that, but we need these corner edges inserted to pull in nice and tight like that one. See how that seems to sink underneath there a little bit. So if we can, or could we just get away with using a crease around this edge here? Oops. Yeah, so just take that one back out, highlight the edge, in edge mode, Control X, let's put it back in again. Oh man. There we go. Right, this needs to be a slight lip for this one. Oh, hang on, we didn't do the top one. Control R. Tighten that one up nice. We might need to do that right hand one also. Oops, excuse me. Can we use this edge? GG. E, F. That's got a bit of a harder edge to it, so we'll stick the one in there just to see what it looks like. There you go, it's highlighted that also. Getting there. Alright, that's another 15 minutes gone, so I'll end this one here and I'll see you in the next one shortly. Oh, don't forget, Control S, save, catch you shortly.